Yeah, you know who it is. DashCleveland.com. Check it out. Another Chevrolet Impala LTZ. White diamond tri-coat. Got light dove leather with the white pinstripe. Sharp car, folks. This is a 3.6 liter. This has the panoramic roof. Heated seats, heated back. Yup. Got the big alloys on it. Windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, power memory seat. And she's sharp, folks. Right out of Pennsylvania. Straight out of a new car dealer store. Panoramic roof on it. Got the wood grain backup camera, leather wrapped wheel. Post crash. Yup. Lots of bells and whistles. Blind spot monitor. Sharp. Guess what, folks? $995 starting down. Troubled credit, bad credit, no credit. Rebuild your credit. Let's start at $995 down on this Impala LTZ White Diamond Perfect Carfax 2014. We're not pulling any punches here, folks. You can do an online application. I'll give you an answer within 45 minutes. Or you could stop into the store, take her for a nice ride, and see if she's the right fit for you. DashCleveland.com, 5333 Lorraine Avenue. Yup, that's right outside the historic district. We're online at DashCleveland.com 24/7.